Logan County, where people are remembering the tornado that hit the Indian Lake area 2 years ago. Now, these images from Sky 7 show the widespread devastation that communities are still dealing with. Meteorologist Nick Dunn went to that area and talked with people.
March 14th, 2024, a day that those who live here in Indian Lake will never forget. An EF3 tornado on the ground for over 31 miles, causing mass destruction. For Clayton Hooker, this tornado changed how he and his fiance look at severe weather.
One of the things that we don't have right now that I plan to put in is I want to put a shelter here in the house somewhere, either on the backside or inside or something like that. I'm definitely, keeping an eye on the weather more. Watching a little bit more news, meteorologists and stuff like that, listening to you guys.
Tom Martin did not have insurance on his home when the tornado hit. However, he's very thankful for the community members who stepped in to help jumpstart the recovery process.
I've had a lot of help, people helping me get stuff done, church groups, and having manpower, to help do stuff, I'm by myself. It's just a slow process.
So while nearly 2 years ago it took 30 seconds for a tornado to change the lives of everybody in this community, there are signs just by driving around and talking to people that they'll continue to heal and be stronger than ever before. In Lakeview, I'm meteorologist Nick Dunn for News Center 7.